Alright, got this here is going to be a 2-piece rose heart-shaped nipple cover, Tassel, Pasties, blah blah blah. They're basically heart-shaped nipple tassels though. So this is like a fabric here. Sometimes you'll see them where they're like a sequin, but this is actually a softer fabric. And then they are shaped so that way they can accommodate a nipple on the inside. And they do have that slit there, I guess, to hopefully give it some room to flex if it needed. They're supposed to be sticky. Does not. Go ahead. Yeah, it is sticky all the way through, but it's not super sticky. I mean, you stick your finger on it and then you can pull it back off. So I imagine that's going to be the same thing. You know, it's probably not going to be like a Band-Aid or something whenever you try to pull that off. It seems like it's going to be a little bit softer, more like a tacky gummy or something, one of those things that you toss against the wall and it sticks and then crawls down. So it'd be something like that, but it's lightweight, so I wouldn't really worry about it coming down. Anyway, so you know, there's your nipple tassels. Questions, comments, ask, and then we'll get to them as soon as we can. Thanks.